careful beginning to the innings. Australia do not want to lose momentum by losing wickets. Playing twice, you're out in Mohaline. For Labuschagne. Oh, playing a miss. There was this in one. On the pads and worked away very nicely. Samad with a full length dive. Wasn't able to.
Mid wicket and mid on, all up in the ring.
That's well fielded.
This game. And 2 wickets fell around him in that first 10 overs.
It's not the first time he's mistimed a drive. Time around and when he came on to bowl. In the first.
Keep a close eye on him.
Lovely boy.
He is low.
Somehow
The adjustment that Australia made. The predominant, he did get onto the front foot in that second ODI. Once again, just a little bit of bat.
Lovely square drive from Josh Inglis. And that's another excellent shot from Josh Inglis. Inside out. Get it to where he did was first class. Just forced Minhas to.
So trying to attack him. Next.
Really just tried to anchor things at the moment. 12 off 26. Oh, and that's the danger.
One that we played on a couple of days ago. But for Manas, this might give him a tad more rhythm into his in.
Off strike, you just got to make sure he stays nice and content. Another good shot through the covers. Deep mid off coming round. The outfield. Running in as he's.
Very important that you have a game plan. That's nicely played. Slightly quicker from Arafat. He picks up length quickly. Salman was already in the field. Was Salman Ali Agha. Comes off the length that he's bowling today. That's nicely bowled. Tosses it up, tosses it up.
Cut away, but there's the live app. It's hit in the air.
Hey. Ball for 2. Because that's the only way we've seen. H2 get set, you need to go big and really make it count.
Australia's batting.
Wicket. Tries a little lap. Inquiry. Was almost reaching English. English had nothing to do with it. He said, no, I'm.
Oh, it's dropped it. Did it come off glove? It was very close.